Hello, I'm Terrel Platt with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by the American Gelbvieh Association. The recent correction across the cattle futures complex has been swift, driven by policy uncertainty regarding the Mexican border and tariffs that have the potential to significantly impact supply fundamentals. Although the fundamentals remain favorable today, futures are pricing in a dramatically different scenario for 2026. Since October 16th, December live cattle futures have declined around $30 a hundredweight, and the live cattle strip is $35 per hundredweight off its highs. As a result, live cattle futures momentum has deteriorated sharply, with December live cattle futures falling from multi-year highs near 110% to current levels near 92%, which is approaching -2 standard deviations. The shift in the live cattle strip momentum has been similar, declining from 108% to 95%, and also approaching -2 standard deviations. The sharp decline in the momentum indicators, where both nearby and strip contracts are trading deeply into oversold territory, suggests the market has moved from extreme optimism to pricing in considerable downside risk in a matter of weeks. Current momentum readings suggest the market may be approaching a technical inflection point where oversold conditions could provide support if fundamental concerns stabilize. However, clarity on policy decisions moving forward, particularly regarding border restrictions and the outcome of the Supreme Court tariff case, will be key in determining whether the market has found a floor or if further risk lies ahead. Until these uncertainties are resolved, volatility is likely to remain elevated as the market continues to reassess the 2026 outlook. Turning to this week's markets, trade was active in the north at 228 to 230 live and 358 to 360 dressed, which is steady to 2 lower than last week. Trade was light to moderate in the south at 232 live, which is 3 to 4 lower than last week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.